Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can install Atmosphir onto your computer. Now for those of you who don't know what Atmosphir is, it's a free experience that allows you to not only play games, but allows you to create games, full-on 3D games that you could share with the rest of the world. But for many people, a drawback of Atmosphir is that it runs from your browser. Well, that's a good thing. I mean, you could, no matter which computer you're on, you just play Atmosphir through your browser. But for many people, this is not very appealing, and I understand that because when you're playing a game, you don't want to deal with controls like browser back button, forward button, address bars, and any other things. So you want it to feel and look like an application, like a game. Yes, you can play Atmosphir in full screen, and it's great when you play in full screen, but when you're not playing in full screen, you have to deal with those browser stuff. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make Atmosphir look and feel like a real app that you have installed onto your computer. So, let's get started. Hey guys, so before we start, let's go over the things that we'll need. First of all, we'll need a computer, preferably a one that can run Atmosphir. Second of all, we'll need the Google Chrome web browser. Google Chrome is a fantastic browser, especially for running Atmosphir, and you can find it simply by searching for Google Chrome in any search engines. So installation should be simple and easy. So for this tutorial, I'm assuming that you have installed Google Chrome and you're running it. So in Google Chrome, in the address bar, let's go to the Atmosphir homepage by typing in atmosphir.com, and we'll be redirected to the Atmosphir homepage. As usual. From there, find the button that has a picture of ranch in it. Wait, did I say ranch? Okay, I meant wrench. Find the button that has a picture of a wrench in it. Wrench the tool, not the food. Wrench. Okay. When you click on the wrench button, a menu should pop up, and you find the item that says tools. Point to it, and another menu should pop up, and click on the item that says create application shortcuts. So you go to Tools and Create Application Shortcuts, and you click it. A dialog box appears asking you where you would like to install Atmosphir. You could put it on your desktop, Start menu, or if we're running Windows 7, you could pin it to the taskbar. I usually like to put it on my desktop in the Start menu, and when you're done, click Create. For those of you who who sees two buttons instead of one, the instructions are slightly bit different. Let me show you what I mean. Let me start another version of Google Chrome. Okay, anyways, there it is. This is another slightly different version of Google Chrome. This is an older version, but if you see two buttons instead of one, a wrench button and a button that has a picture of a paper in it, you'll need to click on the button with the paper instead of the wrench, because it's different. So let's try it again. Atmosphir.com. And we'll do a paper button instead of the wrench button because there's nothing called tools in the wrench button. So click on the paper button and click Create Application Shortcuts as usual, and choose where you want to put it, desktop, Start menu, or the quick launch bar. So, and there you go, you have installed Atmosphir. Okay guys, now that we have installed Atmosphir, I should see it on my Start menu because I chose to install it on my Start menu. So there, Start and Atmosphir Home, right here on my Start menu. If you install it on your desktop, it should have been here as a desktop icon. I could also find my All Programs menu in my Start menu, right here, Atmosphir Home. If you could see it, right there. Let me zoom in more. Okay, anyways. So yeah, let's see what happens when you click it. Start, Atmosphir Home, and there. It looks and feels like an application. No browser hassle, no address bar, no back button, no navigation, no wrench button in either. So it feels like an application, full-on app with maximize, minimize button. You could actually maximize it and then use the control scroll wheel on your mouse to make Atmosphir website bigger or smaller. So yeah, you could make it really look the way you want it to look with this. For example, I could play a level right here, and then click play solo, and it's loading. I could change the game resolution in windowed mode. So for example, I can make it bigger, the game resizes. I can make it bigger yet, and the game still resizes. I'm gonna make it bigger. Yeah, that's really huge. But yeah, that's big. But yeah, as you can see, you could really play around with it and make it the way you want to make it. So yeah, and I could play it like I was playing a game, a real game. I mean, Atmosphere is a real game, but non-browser games. You know what I mean. So yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it actually helps you make Atmosphere experience better. I mean, it certainly helps me make Atmosphere experience better. All I do is run it like an app. So, Atmosphere app. I don't know. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day and enjoy playing and making levels. No, I'm running out of time. Oh, come on. Almost there. Ah. Yeah. As you can see, I'm not the most expert player out there. But anyways, you get my point.